That's perfect.
So I can put this on my HVAC channel in the fall. Look what I saw these two idiots do today. It was not me.
Yeah, this is gonna be.
Of course, you're in the video going up the ladder right now.
They can't see my face.
They see mine. Blur it out.
Great night right now.
It's up way high. Why didn't we lower the ladder? That's. Can we go up one more?
Yeah. There you go.
I think that's. What do you think? Good. Hold on.
We're good, Dave. I'm in there anyway.
Yeah. Hold on. I didn't think about that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's that stupid.
Jesus, man.
Easy. Steady. Fuck. Are we over it?
No, your leg on the left side, on Seth's side, he's got to pull it out a little bit. We're going to come up. Jesus Christ.
All right.
Yeah, it's really not. It seems worse from down there.
Hold on a minute.
Yeah, let me just.
You guys are good.
Yeah.
All right.
That actually went a lot better than I thought it would.
That's good.
Okay, cool.
You want to raise this back up again?
No, but
Up and out.
Up and out, yeah. It actually seems like, for some reason, it's much more.
It did drag itself
Okay, all right, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to come up.
Okay.
Another one yet?
That's good.
All right. Hold on, I got you down a little bit. Okay, there you go. Stop there.
Sweet. That wasn't bad. I was way more scared than. I thought that was going to be terrible.
All right.
That is good.
I feel like this is gonna be on the inch right now.
All right, I'm going to go down and get the coil. I'll just bring that shit up. I'll tell you what, I feel a lot safer on the ladder when it's in the corner, like over there against the wall.
This slides on.
This is like
flashing.
kind of nerve.
I do too, man.
What else has got to come up? Oh, that pad?
Yeah.
Oh, there goes his camera.
Oh, yeah. Well, fun stuff's done.
That's kind of heavy. It's concrete.
What? What? Yeah. I guess I should get my shirt. Oh. What about all your gear? Or you just want to not worry about that until later?
Who's long strap?
Ours. I gotta be careful with putting lean in this. but I can throw it down. Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Sure, hotter now than it was before. I should have brushed your pen. Okay. Just careful, because I almost did. I was like, oh shoot, like leaning this off the rubber. Yeah. All this would drop it down.